Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Today we are going to solve ICT October-November 2024 paper 3 spreadsheet part. Okay, let's start. You work for Tawara, a web developer, and will edit a spreadsheet that analyzes the data on a web page hits and advertising. Okay. Open and examine the file in 24 hits. Okay, so let's go here to our file in 24 hits. Let's select everything, then double click here so everything will be visible. Okay, rows 9 to 38 show the number of hits to each web page during a 24-hour period. The number of hits for each hour are stored in column F to AC. Okay, place your name, center number, and candidate number in the left on the left and in the header. Okay, so let's go to insert, text, header and footer, then our name, center number, and candidate number. Okay, place the text created on followed by space, then an automated date on the right. Okay, in the header, so come here, created on, then go to current date and choose it. Save this spreadsheet with the file hits followed by underscore followed by center number underscore candidate number. Okay, so first of all let's go to view, normal view, then file, save as, browse. Yeah, let's choose our file. Then it was hits. Was it capital or no? No, it's not capital. It's hits underscore center number underscore candidate number. Okay, so we finished this part. Question 2. Format all data in rows 9 to 38 to be center line. Okay, so rows 9 to 38. This one is a row and this one is a column. So they said rows 9 to 38. From here, 9 to 38. Then we should select the whole row. Center aligned, home and center aligned. Okay. Format rows 1 to 8 in the spreadsheet so that looks like this. Okay, first of all I can see from cell A to F it's merge and center. And I can see a sans serif font, so it should be Arial. And they said in row 1 make it a 24 point. Okay, so let's make it 24. Okay, I can see that all of these are right aligned. So come here and make it right aligned. This one is bold and this one is also bold and this one is bold, so okay. I can see that cell D and D3 and E3 are merged and center, so merge and center. These are center aligned and these are right aligned. And this one is right aligned also, the rate. So, and I can see that this one is currency is dollar and 4 decimal places. So go here, select all of this, go to number, currency, 4 decimal places, and search for dollar. I want the US. Where is the US? Yeah, here. Okay. And I can see that all of these are center aligned. So come here, center aligned, and these cells are wrapped. So where is Excel? Yes, here. So choose all of this, wrap text. Okay. Off hits is down, so let's do like this. Off hits is down now. Number is down, so let's do like this. Now it's correct. Level is down, so let's do like this. Revenue is down, so let's do like this. I can see that all of these are bold and they are center aligned in the cell, so do like this. Middle aligned, sorry, not center aligned. So then click middle align, and they are actually center aligned also, but no problem. So then bold. Okay, I can see that these are okay, sorry. Now we finish this question. Question 3. Place a replicable formula in cell B9 to calculate the number of hits for the web page during 40173 for a 24-hour. Okay, so these are the hits. So it's so we should use sum. Come here, formula, sum, then choose all of this. Okay, then okay. Place a replicable formula in cell C9 to calculate the average number of hits per hour for this web page. So we should use the formula average, function average. So then choose all of this again. Then okay. Place a replicable formula in cell D9 using a nested if function to display the text from cells D4, D5, or D6 when the content of cell C9 is greater than the traffic threshold. Okay, so you have to read the question carefully. Where is D6 and D4 and D? These are the values that have to be shown. Okay, so we should compare this to this. If this is greater than or equal to 400, it should display high. If this is greater than or equal to 250, it should display medium. If it is greater than or equal to 0, it should display low. So what we will do, first of all, I want to explain it in words, so 1 minute. Let's open my document. Okay. So we will use an if function. So if this one, which is cell C9, if C9, sorry, if C9 is greater than or equal to 400, if yes, then show hi. This one is yes. If no, we will open another if function. And so if C9, what was that number, greater than or equal to 250, if yes, we will display medium. If no, some people here will think that we should open another if function, but that is wrong. I will tell you why. We already made two if function. One if function if it is greater than or equal to 400 it will display high. One if function if it is greater than or equal to 250 it will display medium. So all the rest numbers are less than 250 and greater than or equal to 0. So we should not write another if function. We should just display low if it is false. See here, low. If no. Did you get it, guys? Okay, guys, now let's do the if function. So if logical test if C9 greater than or equal to 400, value of true, display high, and make sure this is a replicable formula, so make sure that the sources are closed, so when you replicate it they don't go down and change. Everything should be closed except C9. Why? Because when we replicate we should go down. So everything should be closed. Just select it and click F4. If it does not work, just do solar dollar signs like this. F4 is not working for me, I don't know why, but it should work for you. Then go here, value of false, go here and click open another if function, logical test if C9 greater than or equal to 250, value of true, medium, value of low, value of false, low. Then all the sources should be closed again. Now, okay. Question 6. Place a replicable formula in cell E9 to look up the rate of this for this traffic level and multiply it by the total number of hits for this web page. So we'll use this as the lookup value. We'll use this as the lookup value. Okay, so let's come here. V lookup value. Table array is this. Column index number, we need this, so it should be 3. Range lookup if false, so 0, like this. Then we should multiply it. Go here and write star by what? They said multiplied by what? By the total number of hits for this web page, so multiplied by this. Okay, Replicate the formula entered in step 3 to 6 for all the web pages. Okay, so just come here, then double click like this, double click like this, double click like this, and double click like this. I think I made a mistake here. Yeah, I made a mistake. Guys, I forgot to close the sources. So let's do it again. Lookup value. Don't close this one, as when you replicate it, it goes down. The table array should be lookup value like this. The table array should be closed. So dollar signs like this. Column index number is 3. Range lookup is 0. Okay. Then multiplied by this one. Don't close this one also, because when we go down, when we replicate it, it goes down like this. Then replicate it again. Now everything is correct. Format cell E9 to E38 as currency in dollar to 2 decimal places. So E9 is this to E38. Go to currency, dollars, anything dollars, then 2 decimal places, yes, like this. Place a replicable formula in cell B4 to count the number of web pages with high traffic. Replicate this formula for medium and low traffic. Okay. So we should count here everything that have high. So what we will use? We'll use count if. So come here, count if. The range is this one. The criteria is high. I will just write it. Sorry, don't write it, because we will replicate it down here. So we have to choose this one. As we replicate down here, this one will also change. Okay, then like this. Then just replicate it. See now, this one is D4, this one is D5. It changed. Okay, save your spreadsheet. So let's save it. Now print only cells A1 to F38 showing the formula. Make sure that the printout is in portrait orientation. The row and column headings are displayed. The contents of these cells are fully visible. So we should choose from A1 to F38 like this. Sorry, I forgot to show the formulas. Show formulas. Then I will double click on each column to make sure that everything is totally visible like this. Then go to file, print, make sure that this print selection only. Then portrait orientation, yes. Did not ask to make it in one page or two, so leave it like this. Then go to page setup, row and column headings like this. Then just print it. Sorry, what's happening? Yeah, apply a conditional formatting to cells D9 to D38 inclusive to display a green background if the cell contains high, an orange background if the cell contains medium, a red background if the cell contains low. Okay, so just let's remove the formulas and double click again here to make everything to make sure everything's shown. Then choose all of this, go to home, conditional formatting, manage rules, add a new rule, format only cells that contain, and equal to, because we have a specific value, equal to I. Format, then it should be a green background, so go to fill, then choose a green background. Okay, then a new rule again, format only cells that contain, equal to, then equal to medium, format fill, and they wanted an orange background. So this one is orange. No, it does not look like orange actually, so go to more colors. Yeah, this one is orange. Okay, then they said a red background if it is low, format a red background if it is low. Okay, now okay, text, make sure that the text in each cell is clearly visible. Yeah, it's clearly visible like this. Now take a screenshot of your method, making sure that the formatting set the range of the cells, formatting set and range of cells are clearly visible. Okay, so just select it like this again, then go to conditional formatting, manage rules. Here the range of cells is visible, the formatting is visible, so just take a screenshot like this. Okay, yes, so now question 12, change the font color of cells F8 to A38 to white so that the content of these cells are not visible. So F8 to AC38 like this, change it to white so it's not visible. Print only columns A to F, inclusive showing the values. Make sure that the printout fits on a single page. The printout is portrait orientation. The wrong column headings are not displayed. The contents of cells in cell columns A to F, except those cells where font color is white, are fully visible. Okay. So column A to F like this. Go to print only selection, portrait orientation. Now they said only one page, so come here, fit all columns in one page like this. What they said also, they said one column heights are not headings are not visible, so okay. Then portrait orientation, okay, this one, okay, the contents for cell are fully visible, okay. Then print it. Sorry guys, I made something wrong when saving the file at the first question. Just make sure to choose Excel workbook because they said save it as spreadsheet. Okay, now we finished spreadsheet. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.